business requires a lot of things to be put into place. It's a jigsaw puzzle and it's a moving puzzle because markets are moving, competition is moving, customers are changing, business environments are changing. So these things are moving, but there are some blocks which are always there, which need to be put in place. And I'm going to talk about leadership from the perspective of these three foundational blocks of business. As a business leader, you will have to constantly keep this in mind that these are three things that need to happen in a business. And of course, because you're leading the business, and therefore ये तीन चीजों को आपको हमेशा ध्यान में रखना है. First one is vision. Second block जिसको रणनीति बोलते हैं, and the third building block is operations. Why do you exist as an organization? And I think that's something that you need to put on paper. And I'm saying this for specifically also, I think for a lot of second generation business people who have got into business because their parents had started business, उनके father ने शुरू किया था, grandfather ने शुरू किया था, and now you're doing the business. और I think हम कभी रुक के सोचते नहीं है कि मुझे ये business क्यों करना है, मेरा why क्या है. Wanting to do a business because you don't want to report to somebody, because तुम्हारे ऊपर बॉस नहीं चाहिए. हमने स्पेशली एटलीस्ट गुजरात में तो बहुत सुना है ये. But that will not make you endure, that will not create superior results, and that's not going to give distinctive impact. And therefore, you have to go back to the drawing board and find your why. Strategy is about making choices. It's about deciding what would you rather do and what will you not do. And therefore, strategy is, like I said, about making extremely brutal choices. These are hard choices that business leaders need to make. Building functions and teams is operations. Creating an organization chart, knowing where to put people is all about operations. And lastly, addressing constraints, मतलब bottlenecks को solve करना, problem solving करना, day-to-day problem solve करना, is all operations. Strategy brings vision to life, operations brings strategy to life. All three blocks are necessary. You can't do without one of them.
Our biggest challenge currently is to reach the target audience, the customer base that we want to serve. Can you please suggest something on that?
Very interesting, Kanisha. I think one thing that quickly pops up in my head is that there are many other industries who are vying for the same target audience. So for example, if I look at wealth management, because banks have wealth management branches which are very separate, which are not your humdrum banking, retail banking sector. Right? It's a very carved out segment in most banks, and a lot of international banks do a very good job of it. So
right.
My first clue to you would be that can you look at how do they do it? Because most of the times we have to find, like I said, clues in other people's successes, what people do well. Because these strategies to approach customers or that target audience, you can learn something. You might not be able to copy and paste them, but you'll be able to learn something from that. That how do they do it? How do they approach? How do they know where these are? How do they access the databases? How do they get in touch with those customers? So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कनिशा वहाँ से कुछ सीखने को मिल सकता है.